Hi, welcome to Best of TV. This is Katrina. We have received some customers' feedback about wanting a Plus Tumbler press to have a bead to alert them when the printing is complete. So here's our Plus Eco Tumbler Heat Press. We have upgraded the digital controlled program. We only have the Fahrenheit setting mode, and the top is for temperature, the button is for time, which makes the parameter setting easier. When you press down the handle, there's a bead to remind you to start counting down. We have two adjustable pressure knobs in the rear to fit the mugs and tumblers you are going to print. We have also upgraded the color scheme and heating attachment. The equipped heating attachment is suitable for printing 16-ounce, 20-ounce, and 32-ounce tumblers. You can also print a smaller diameter mug with a silicone wrap. This Eco Tumbler is also compatible with various heating attachments to suit your different printing needs. In conclusion, this Plus Eco Tumbler Press is a series of budget heat press, a reasonable price for an upgraded heat press. You can contact our sales team for more details. Okay, let's see how it works.